The administrator is unwilling to accept some risk. Now we gotta keep reading to this third email. So now the admin replies back to the project coordinator. The budget we allocated for compensation is this amount. We will honor our commitment to pay $50 to each participant in the second group as well as the first group. So he's going to pay them regardless, who completes the survey and submits it by the deadline we specify. However, we will need to try to not exceed the total amount that is budgeted for this purpose. So they're saying they're going to stick with the word and pay everybody, but they just want to make sure that they don't want to send out too much, otherwise they're going to go over budget. So here's the statement: the administrator is willing to accept some risk of exceeding the budget for compensating participants. Well, it says right here that they're definitely going to pay everybody. So if you're definitely going to pay somebody, you know that you're going to accept the risk that you could go over. They're going to try not to go over, but they're definitely going to pay everybody. So in the event that they do go over, they will still pay each participant. So in this case, is the admin willing to accept risk? Yes, he is willing to accept risk. So in this case, you have a yes statement here. So as a recap, you're given this question. There's three parts to it. They're giving statements true or false, basically. You have 3 emails to read. And so you read the first one, you look at the first one, answer it, and then read the second, answer the second, read the third, answer the third. Here the crux is you have to understand that it's conversation between the admin and the research staff. You have to understand what's going on here. So this involves a lot of reading comprehension. But generally, once you understand what the passage is, you're going to be able to answer the question. So I would recommend to actually read the passage first. They're pretty short. So read the passage first and then read the prompt. If you read the prompt, you're not going to understand what's going on with the passage. So read them in pieces, then refer back to them if you need to. So there it is again. This is called multi-source reasoning on the integrated reasoning portion of the GMAT exam.